Hey everyone, it's me kiboorou. It's been a while since our last video and we're back to check out the new Matrixlab Magic 3. The board was in a group buy in April last year and delivered around few months ago, maybe around October 2023. And I choose the 60% WKL version because I love the compact size of the keyboard. It is easy to carry around and doesn't take much space on my desk. The packaging is quite beautiful and well thought out. I always appreciate the effort Matrixlab put into their packaging. Now let's open what's inside. We got a plate. It is an aluminum plate with a lot of flex cuts, which is I don't like it. A lot of foams as well that I will not use it. Some standoffs and extra screws. Also we got Gasket because it is Gasket mount board. Inside the second envelope we got PCB. It is a hot swap PCB with nice maroon color. Okay, let's open the second box. Again, the box is so pretty. We got a manual book. It's quite thick. But of course, the star of the show itself, the case. As you can see, it is a linen / beige color. And let's see the back side. Phew, what a beauty. There is a level of complex detail and the bunny character is very cute to look at. On the blocker, we have a small LED. Also, there is a bunny logo on the right side blocker. For the side profile, it's quite similar to the Matrix Corsa. The middle part of the weight is made of stainless steel. For now, I will not remove the plastic protector because I am scared to scratch it. Okay, let's move on to the build process. Alright, let's clean up the space first. Okay, let's start with the PCB. I'm going to install the stabilizers, but before we do that, we need to cut off the PCB leaf first. For the stabilizer itself, I'm using the X step for long pole switches, and I have already looped it with the Krytox and also Permatex. Do keep in mind, the stabilizer that I'm using is for 1.2mm PCB. And all good to go. Let's put the plate and install the switches. For today's build, we are going to use Sarokeys BCP. I have heard a lot of good things about it, so let's figure out together in this build. I'm using a fork plate to help me adjust and install the switches properly. Okay, now we come to the part that I don't quite like, which is installing the gasket. What I don't like about this is I can't install perfectly aligned because my hand usually trembles a little bit. The last thing before we close the case is installing two GST connectors. The first one on the top case is for the blocker LED, and the second one is for the USB Type-C. Okay, all good. Let's close the case and put on the keycaps. For the keycap set, I'm gonna use Domikey X Glove Watermelon. It is definitely a fun set of keycaps with vibrant colors. The material is double shot ABS with cherry profile height. The colorway is trying to create a watermelon color theme with a little bit a twist, of course. And here we go. Matrixlab Magic 3 60% WKL Bunny edition is completed. Okay, after using this board for a few weeks, here are some of my thoughts. Design-wise, it is fantastic, no doubt. The design aspect from the layout, color, weight, and small details, everything is great. Build quality, of course, it is A game. It is Matrixlab standard. The coating and the finishing looks very premium. Sound-wise, with BCP switches, it is actually quite loud and very clear. Typing feel, it is actually a little bit stiff, but in a good way. Sound-wise and typing feel, I definitely prefer this over Matrix Corsa. The blade has same flex cut, but I feel that the Magic 3 doesn't flex as hard as Matrix Corsa. In the future, I will try to experimenting with a different blade. Maybe a PP plate paired with the GMK keycaps, and let's see how it goes. That's all for now, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.